lights glowing on the pavement, midnight shadows all around. Everybody's dreaming somewhere while I'm working through this town. Bus stops empty, roads are quiet, cold wind blowing through the night. Still I'm chasing something bigger, still I'm fighting for my life. The city sleeps, I keep moving. One more mile, one more road, carrying dreams upon my shoulders, carrying a heavy load. The city sleeps, I keep moving, never slow and never stop. One day all this hard work gonna take me to the top. Every hour builds my future, every step rewrites my story. No one sees these silent battles, but I know they're leading somewhere. Keep going, stay focused, don't quit. Rise up. The city sleeps, I keep moving. One more mile, one more road, carrying dreams upon my shoulders, carrying a heavy load. The city sleeps, I keep moving, never slow and never stop. One day all this hard work gonna take me to the top. Yeah, still moving, still dreaming, all night long. Yeah. One more night, one more step. Another evening on the clock now, another dream inside my mind. Working hard through every struggle, leaving yesterday behind. Some nights feel a little heavier, some roads feel a little long, but I know where I'm heading, that's what keeps me strong. One more night for a better life, one more fight, I'll be alright. Every sacrifice I make today will light my future bright. One more night for a better life, one more chance to get it right. I can feel my moment coming somewhere down the line. Rain may fall and winds may change, still I walk this road with pride. Every hour brings me closer to the dreams I hold inside. Stay strong, stay true, keep faith, break through. One more night for a better life, one more fight, I'll be alright. Every sacrifice I make today will light my future bright. One more night for a better life, one more chance to get it right. one more dream. Keep moving.
The night is over. Here comes the sunrise. Another shift behind my back. Another long and lonely track. The morning light begins to shine. Still chasing dreams one day at a time. Coffee cold inside my hand. Working hard just like I planned. Some days heavy, some days rough. But giving up ain't good enough. Another shift, another sunrise. I can see hope in the sky. Even when the road gets hard, I keep my dreams alive. Another shift, another sunrise, another chance to change my life. Step by step and day by day, I know I'll be alright. Tired body, restless mind. Still got goals I'm trying to find. Every struggle leaves a mark, but every sunrise brings a spark. Hold on, stay true. One day, break through. Another shift, another sunrise. I can see hope in the sky. Even when the road gets hard, I keep my dreams alive. Another shift, another sunrise, another chance to change my life. Step by step and day by day, I know I'll be alright. Yeah. New morning. Keep hope. Keep moving. Yeah. These hands are tired, but my soul stays strong. Rough days written on my fingers, long nights living in my bones. Every scar tells a story of a man still moving on. Heavy work under the sunlight, heavy work under the moon. Life keeps testing my spirit, but I ain't quitting soon. Tired hands, unbroken soul. That's the only life I know. Every struggle made
Some people only see the surface, they don't know the price I pay. Every drop of sweat is proof that I fought another day. Stay strong, hold on, keep walking, move on. Tired hands, unbroken soul, that's the only life I know. Every struggle made me stronger, every road helped me grow. Tired hands, unbroken soul, still chasing dreams of gold. The world can try to bring me down, but it won't control.